Hey guys, how are you? Okay, let me just put myself also on the screen. Yep, here I go. Now, today is 9th of March, and again, yesterday's video also I told you that the setup's not really very conducive to be recording. So, उसी setup में continuing with a little bit of background noise, the top 5 articles that I have put for you today. So, let's just quickly begin with them. The first one, and a very big one also. This has been in discussion for past quite some time, a lot of discussion going back and forth constantly. And it is about Tata Motors splitting up its business into two: passenger vehicle one, commercial vehicle separate. दो part में business को divide करने का they are discussing. Why? For the commercial viability of the passenger vehicle business. कमर्शियल व्हीकल टाटा मोटर हम सबको पता है, अनचैलेंज्ड अनपैरेलल्ड बिजनेस है, इट्स ह्यूज. उनके ट्रक्स, उनके बसेस, दे आर लाइक सॉर्ट ऑफ big time market leaders in this segment. But when it comes to passenger vehicles, they don't really enjoy such a premium position. They are still trying hard to make their presence stronger in the market with amazing new launches: Altroz, Tiago, Harrier, Safari. They're trying hard. New products are coming in. They are very good, very strong, comparable to other world class products available in the market. And just to give this process which they have taken greater impetus and greater push, they are saying we'll segregate our passenger vehicle division so that उनके targets, उनके performance सब अलग हो जाएंगे commercial vehicles से, and it will become a more sustainable business. So the shareholders have given their acknowledgement to the process that yes, please go ahead and split it into a different company, put it under a business called TML, under a company called TML Business Analytics Services Limited, right? So this is the first one. Now moving on to the second one. Second one, what happened is obviously you are aware that India is putting in a lot of, government of India is putting in a lot of money and energy into defense research now, and they're saying India has to be self-reliant in defense manufacturing. And obviously the our conflict with the in the neighborhood, in the surroundings, is also causes constant problems for us. So in the process, a next initiative and an amazing initiative has been taken by DRDO. They have invented something, or they have completed the development, not invented, invent to pehle ho chuka tha, something called air independent propulsion for submarines. So what it does is diesel powered submarines jab wo pani mein hote hain, and because it needs to suck in, diesel engine needs air, so it needs air, either air stored within the vessel or air taken from outside via snorkels, and then batteries sending power to the diesel engine, and it runs, makes a lot of noise. It is a very noisy process, which makes these submarines detectable. How easy or difficult, obviously, I don't know. And I am not a submariner, and Navy guys, salute to them for they sweat in peace so that we don't, no blood is drawn at war, right? So to support them, to make their lives even more, make them even more capable, and give them greater power, what Indian Navy has done with, along with DRDO, is that air independent propulsion system has been invented, which guys, sorry, it's a little noisy here, but that's what it is. So what has been done is this technology, India is working with a couple of other countries also, and this will make these submarines quieter. They can stay in the underwater without having to draw air from surface for their diesel engines, and just more stealth and more stealth power to the Navy. Cool. And also, when I was reading this news, Navy really plans to change their entire fleet, start changing their entire fleet of submarines to AIP enabled. So everything will become absolute dead quiet. Cool. Now let's move on to the third one. Third one is about Quad. So Quad is a strategic tie-up of 4 countries. What those 4 countries are, I have put it on the slide itself: US, Australia, Japan, and India. Now these 4 countries formed a strategic security group called Quad, and Quad is about thwarting off the challenges posed by the Chinese influence in the region, right? So these 4 countries have come together, and they said that we will offer safety and security in this entire neighborhood. And now France and UAE have also joined in Quad as strategic alliance partners. So what they would do is they are going to offer. So on the western side of India, we would have Quad offer. We would have support from UAE, and obviously India also has the western borders to protect India's interest and the regional interest. On the eastern side, India has Japan, Australia, Singapore. So they would be offering support on the eastern side and eastern periphery against Chinese influence. Then US is a big time strategic partner, and obviously US, is a blue water navy, and they are all across, and they have US bases in the Indian Ocean as well. So these countries, Quad plus France and UAE, are going to do a lot of strategic exercises where they'll do strikes, they'll do anti-submarine warfare, etc. They'll practice all this to keep the preparedness levels high. Right now to the fourth article that I pulled out for you. So this one is amazing. This one's a really sweet gesture. Banksy, who is a very famous graffiti artist he has created a graffiti called Game Changer. So last year he made this and he left it at a hospital in Southampton, where he just left a small note that saying that thanks to all the, it was a gesture towards the hospital staff that thanks for all the support. I am leaving this for you. Hope it cheers you up. And the drawing, if you see, is right underneath. I put the image also for you guys. So what you see here is that a child, the typical toys, Batman, Spider-Man, वो dustbin में डाले हुए हैं, and the kid is actually playing with a doll dressed as a nurse and in the shape of a superhero, right? So a good, amazing gesture from his side. And Banksy is world famous. His creations are world famous. Google करके देखना कभी Banksy. His graffitis are crazy. He is and he keeps his identity under disguise at all times. Nobody really knows who this person is. And this drawing that he left at the hospital is now going on sale for a value of approximately 2.5 to 3.5 million pounds, and all the sale proceeds will be going to NHS, National Health Scheme of UK, to support the health scheme. So yeah, hats off, like really press the like button on Banksy and his creations. He is doing such great justice to the world and supporting so many good initiatives. And this is the last one for the day, the fifth one, wherein Supreme Court has said that now it's time to really review the 50% cap on quota, because the last time the quota cap was set up was in 1992 by a bench of 9 judges. And now they have said that with changing times, changing social dynamics, and with the repeated changes in constitutional amendments that are being done every now and then by passing a new amendment saying कोटा इस कम्युनिटी के लिए ज्यादा होना चाहिए, इस रीजन के लिए ज्यादा कोटा होना चाहिए. So Supreme Court is saying enough is enough. Now it's time that we review the entire quota system again to check whether 50% is viable or changes need to be made. So good initiative, good move. At least cuts out much regular controversies and at least comes up with bigger results. So guys, these were the top 5 news articles that I wanted to put for you on 9th of March. Happy preparing, and yes, just reminding you, please do like, share and subscribe this video so that all of you keep getting daily notifications and your friends also get to know about these feed. I'll see you tomorrow. Until then, bye bye.